Well, this is what I decided to do for the CB and for the GMRS. So let's see if we can get this to focus here or not. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. It doesn't want to do it. Why not? Do. There we are. That's better. Anyway, so I've got a DV20G on the top and an MB1 on the bottom. Pardon me. The bottom one is AM/FM CB. The top one is a GMRS. And this wiring here is temporary for now. I'm just running it on 12 volt power port. I'll hardwire it in. The system's working good. And right now, I'm not having any problems. The antenna out there is the CB antenna. And the problem was right in this area here. And that had a bad ground. And that cable running back and coming through the firewall was not grounded to the vehicle. Now, I seem to remember that being grounded through the coax on the back of the radio was sufficient. Obviously not. So, ground effects are screwed up or whatever. Anyway, I'm looking for a way to hang these microphones. This one up here is hanging here. This is the CB one. Radiodity. No, this is a GMRS. Sorry. There's the CB one over here. And I'm looking for a way to hang these. So I'm thinking I'll put a hanger here for one of them, and then a mic holder over on this side for the other one, or maybe they'll both be underneath. I don't know. I'm confused. So I'll work on that later. But anyway, so that's what's going to do on the trip. By the way, if you ever get a chance, these 12 volt power ports here, you put your thumb on it right there. It's got a sensor when you get close to it to turn on off. Got two receptacles, and one's 2 amps, the other one's 2.2, I think. I keep putting my fingers in the way, sorry about that. These are super cool. And I just charge everything I own right there. Anyway, that's what's going on. So I did build a piece of steel between the two of them and mounted them. This is for my Android radio, and this is a USB stick, and I've got SDs on my, anyway, I got a lot of music in here. So that's what I'm gonna need on my trip when I go. So there you go. I'll turn these off. Boop. Boop. I'm not gonna put them on an ignition switch, I don't like that. Alrighty, we're done. 3.5 minutes, I'll see you later, bye-bye.